The military needs power. Energy consumption on the battlefield is a major challenge. Modern military operations depend on equipment like tanks, drones, and communication stations, all of which need significant power to operate effectively. For instance, an M1 tank can use about 379 gallons of fuel per 100 miles during heavy operations, while military drones have limited battery life, often needing to recharge after just a few hours. Communication stations, crucial for coordinating forces, can drain their batteries within 12 to 24 hours of use. Fueling this equipment is a big logistical problem, especially in remote or dangerous areas. Delivering fuel is time-consuming, costly, and risky, with fuel convoys often vulnerable to attack. This has led to a growing need for reliable, sustainable energy alternatives. Renewable energy offers a practical solution. The U.S. military is set to invest $10 billion a year in renewable energy technologies by 2030. Solar energy is one of the most promising. Portable solar panels can charge smaller equipment like drones and communication systems, reducing reliance on fuel deliveries. Solar-powered drones, for example, can fly for days or even months without needing to land. The U.S. Army even tested a solar-powered drone that stayed in the air for over 64 days. On the ground, soldiers using small roll-up solar panels can lighten their load by up to 25 pounds, allowing them to move faster. Wind energy is another option, especially in areas with favorable wind conditions. Small, portable wind turbines can generate continuous power for communication systems or light vehicles when sunlight is scarce. Carbon-neutral energy solutions, such as biofuels made from organic materials, are also being explored. These fuels can be produced locally, reducing the need for long-distance fuel deliveries. They are ideal for larger equipment like tanks and generators, which require more power than sun or wind can typically provide. The military's shift toward renewable energy is setting the stage for more resilient and independent operations. Forces that can generate their own power on the battlefield gain a strategic edge, reducing logistical burdens and staying operational longer. JetSoftPro's expertise in software development enables us to create innovative solutions that harness renewable energy. Contact us for the technological edge needed for modern warfare.